Okay, I'm gonna do the intro. We're 6:52. Heading to the ball game. This is Wampus Cats home game 6 for the season. And it's hot. It's still hot. It's so hot.
'Cause it's hot.
So hot.
You guys know where it's Kill shirt.
I think it's the 13th of June. Is that right?
Yes.
We had a 5K this morning, and that was also hot and brutal.
Not as bad as I thought it would be, though.
We got it done, and then now we're going to home game and hopefully get some food. But yeah, so baseball time, baseball video coming at you. Really? Cord, please. Thank you. Got one. I missed it. So I got 2 outs. 1 zip. Bottom of the first. 1 on first.
That's coming right in my face.
I know, right?
It's like that, isn't it?
So it's like, oh, it's like coming for us.
Yeah,
At least it's on that side of the net.
Oh man.
This net does pretty
That
good.
hit like right there.
Yeah.
That net doesn't do anything. This net does all right.
This net holds it on.
Yeah. That's
He's in first place in the series. The other net's in last place. He's not even playing the series. He's just, I don't know what he's doing. Occupying oxygen.
All right.
All right. Let's try this way.
Here it is. Here you go. Here it is. Just because this game is low doesn't mean you gotta get it.
Yeah. Don't hit him. There we go.
Thanks, Net.
Spunky califragilisticexpialidocious. Even though the burn ban's in place, somebody's kind of a dopish. Somebody's burning something smoky. Good eye, Ben.
It's that high, it's like you're making fun of him.
Yeah.
Well, I guess at least you're wearing pants.
There he is.
I'm sure it's coming from that hill somewhere.
Silent Hill. Silent Mill Hill.
Silent Mill Hill.
Silent Hill Mill?
Yeah.
Coming that one.
What's that?
I'm gonna copyright strike or something from that dumb song.
So you're not getting your copyright straight for that dumb song?
Yeah.
Probably.
He was
still got to run that, so it's okay. It's 2 outs, but we sacked one. Probably shouldn't have run for a second. That's okay. Oh no, it wasn't a sack.
He had to, I guess. Oh, did he have to?
It wasn't a sack slug. No.
Oh. I thought he caught it. I guess he did. Oh, man. Splinters.
Yeah! Wow!
I know there's an up there, but that was still like terrifying.
Broken bat single!
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Look at it.
2-zip. Bottom of the third. Bases loaded.
Excuse me. That's good
Is a
shell
bunt a good call on a bases loaded, or is he just psyching them out?
The bunk, yeah. Because the bunk will, so you want the bunk to like make it shouldn't be that hard. See now this is gonna be another sack and fly. Oh wow, nice!
Ooh!
Oh, he let it drop just to get one. Wonder why, did he let it drop?
I don't know why I don't get that. So what's it?
2 outs. Runners at first and third. 3-zip.
You could say runners at the corners.
Runners at the corners.
Yep.
Oh, I know what that means.
Yep.
Isn't that like a... was it in bowling? Like a 9-10 split? No, it's not.
A 7-10 split?
That's it. 7-10. We got a 7-10 split going on out there right now.
Yeah, because it's the 7 pin and the 10 pin. Yeah.
Oh. Clearly I'm an expert in bowling.
Huh?
Clearly I'm an expert in bowling. Just going to get this swing good.
Effective and distance. Alright, cool.
Go Tramp! Hey Tramp!
Yeah, that was the swing.
Yeah. Okay, and now we're at the top of the fourth. 2-3. Dude hit it out. Had some on base. What do you call that in? Like a 2-run homer?
Yeah,
2-run homer. Okay. It's the correct terminology.
Yeah, all right, Cats. Try to limit the damage. Good job. Just like floating zero gravity. Just be free of Earth and never ever come back. Go to Mars.
Is that Mars One project still happening? Probably not.
I don't know. Probably not. We're going to the moon like next year. Like for reals. Like I think walk around the moon again next year. I think we're doing one more like flyby mission. Like they're making sure they can do the orbit all good, and then they're gonna next one's gonna be landing on the moon. Oh, like a wicked bake on Mars, man. Sweet.
Yeah.
Get like real Like, man, where the fuck am I? Like paranoid high, and then be like, oh shit, I'm on Mars. Oh man, how am I gonna get back from here?
I mean,
Yeah, it's like, and then and realize that you're not. Just deal with it because you're on fucking Mars. Martian now.
Kids, don't forget a return foul ball gets a free
Where'd that
ice
one
pop
go?
in the concession
right
stand.
there.
Just don't go out on Highway 52.
Or do. Bottom of the fourth. Nice. Run it out.
Oh.
Go Trent.
How am I leaving? You know what makes me happy? That Master of the Universe movie flopped. You know why?
Because you didn't like He-Man?
Because that Skeletor in that movie didn't talk like this.
No.
And it's like bullshit. Like it's gotta be like, oh hey man.
Wonder why he
He-Man
talks.
was- Yeah.
Why did he
talk like? Oh, I talk like Frank Langella's man. Ain't no either.
He's like one of the bigger players we got.
Trent too. Trent's a real big kid. He's like 6'5".
Go Trent.
Come on, Ben. Come on, Cats.
Got it, Trent.
All right, good eye, Ben.
Be closer to us, but no, that Joker just
Oh,
too tall.
oh, get down, get down, get down, get down, get down.
Dang.
Damn. Come on, I want to see what ahead is learning that. Hi, Caddy. Learning that like Scarlet Witch.
for Jacob Orlovsky.
Uh-oh.
I was distracted by Kenny.
I do not like LeBron. I don't like LeBron anymore. I did like LeBron when he went back and put a Cleveland Cavaliers championship.
All right, so we are at, where are we at here? The zoom's so good on this. 3-2. top of the 8th. Got doing okay. Could do better. Cool down a little bit. Dang it. Try to film between the things here. Doesn't really work. He's gonna hit this one. Oh no, he's gonna get hit by this one. Okay, dang it. Alright, so we're at the bottom of the 8th. 3-2. Got one on base. Figured I'd stand up here on this Pepsi umbrellaed picnic table. It's still warm. It's not as warm, but it's still warm. Got some time going on here. Dadgummit. Up here. It's 9:24.
Left in the second quarter in San Antonio. The Spurs lead the Knicks 31-15.
Oh, I could go pee. I'll pee in a minute. I'll pee after this. We're just letting it roll on out. There we go. Runners on first and second. Let's go. So we got 2 outs. Runners on first and second. Bottom of the 8th. This pitcher's good. This dust is like, if you could see it on film, but it's like just lingering. It's not even going anywhere because there's like zero breeze whatsoever. It's like a big cloud of dust like right there. Probably can't see it. Alright, bases loaded, 2 outs. Right, here we go. Let's see how we do. Dang it. And I don't know if you can see it now. It's like the dust is lingering right there. It's just not going anywhere. Swampy. Counts 2-2. Come on. Come on. Damn it. Okay, well, things are going south in a hurry. We have no outs. Change pitcher again, second time, and it's now tied up 3-3. They have runners on first and third. So, oh, there it goes. Now it's 4-3, and might be. Yep, 4-3. Still no outs. Dang. Man, it's hot. Now it's 9:49.
Now batting number 33, Tate Green.
I'll let it roll.
Right? Exactly. You do whatever else does.
God, if he hits it, it's going to go to the moon.
Whatever you need.
Jeez. No, it ain't going to go to the moon like that. Dang. Well, we're only down one, so it's not a huge deal, but there's no outs, so we get some outs.
Oh, Mr. George Joseph.
Okay.
George Joseph.
2-2. What'd I tell you? What'd I tell you? He's got it though. And we got. Now it's 5-3. God. I'm not sure what songs he's playing.
Howard.
Giving up on it.
No backflip.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Oh, he's got it out. That's good, I reckon. I don't walk him. Come on. Come on, 6.
Nah, boo, he was down. You're wrong, boo.
Alright, now I got runners on second and third. 1 out. This is fireworks going off over there. I'm not sure what that is. Excuse me.
Yeah, north is that where we want to
Yeah, it's between first and second.
There's a big construction.
Yeah, he's on the dumpster house in the Stokes construction.
Yeah. That's it, yeah.
Nice. The heck, that was weird. Like he was walking off like he was. Okay. He's changing bats. Mm. Damn it. All right, 6-3. That was a balk. All right, bottom of the ninth. 7-3. 1 out.
The little girl wouldn't let go of me either, so the little hat. I was like, oh my goodness, I would have told you this already. Is this the one you were telling me?
Tinked it. Tinked it.
Love you. Love you, Minnie. Love you, Mary Beth. Y'all be safe.
Hey, see you, Patty. I am, yeah.
2 outs.
Love you, Minnie. Love you,
What the heck?
She was sitting over there with like sitting beside me. And this was after she was I sat there and squatted like it was so that my hand would have moved.
Counts 2-2. 2 outs.
No, she wanted me to.
Down by 4.
I think it was just not big compared to her. That's why I squatted there. And then she started playing catch with me.
Belongs to the Ticks.
Oh, yeah, Ben, good eye.
I don't like his characteristics. I don't like scary.
2 outs, 1 on base. Ow.
I got scared of like a
2 strikes.
like one that you could
Come on.
see that was I just don't.
Dang. Last game.
All right.
7-3.
Please do.
Dang. Okay. And Wampus Cats baseball. Wampus Cats baseball. We lost.
That'll do it here at the Dawn. We'll see you right back here
Tomorrow.
At 6 o'clock against the Corn Dogs.
If she doesn't get a release and do something about it,